Pull over. Jason, I just said pull over. There's a car coming. Let's go.
Now can I?
Now can you what?
Now can I drive to the house fast?
No.
When we get closer a little bit?
Yeah.
Yay. She's trying to grab my hand.
Yes, she is.
She's grabbing my handle now. No, she can't. No.
Don't get too close. Don't, son. Don't hold her hand. You're going to hurt her if you speed up or I speed up or I slow down or something happens. So just, pull over. Be careful, you almost hit her. Let go of her hand and ride your bike properly. She looks like she's waving at something.
Who, Danny?
Yeah.
You're watching Danny?
Yeah, and you riding your cool bike. I think this only does so many minutes of video. I'll let it do as much as it can. What?
It's going to go this way and that way.
It's just marks on the road, Boo. Come on, hurry up so the bugs can stop killing us.
No?
Not yet.
Am I going a little bit closer to that bathroom?
No, past the bathroom.
Then I can come to the house.
I'm not taking your picture, son. It's a video. Say hi to Dad. That's who really we're recording it for. You gonna say hi to him or no?
No.
Okay.
Now?
Nope.
We just passed it.
You're the one that said past the bathroom. I told you no, not past the bathroom.
Now can I?
Not yet. Danny! Danny! Danny!
What's a video camera?
What you doing? What you doing? You being the prettiest little girl in the whole wide world?
Mama.
Huh? Love you. Hi.